Hi everyone, welcome back. Tonight we're going to do cannelloni. I'm not going to do it with bechamel sauce, I'm going to do it with tomato sauce because I want to hang on to that for the lasagna, so let's wait for that. But if you do want to see bechamel sauce, there is a short on my channel, 60 seconds, show you how to make that. Very straightforward, very easy to do. So I'm Rob Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. So ingredients then is a tomato sauce. As I've said, you'll have seen me do tomato sauce if you've watched my videos before. If not, I'll put a card up here to enable you to see that, but it's on the go already. It's onion sweated down, nice and simply, in a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter, and then I've added oregano to that and some basil, and that's just ticking away on the stove at the moment. But the other ingredients are, I've got some lean pork mince, some Italian style sausages that I'm going to unpeel and cook down, some hard Italian cheese, tomatoes representing the tomato sauce, onion, cannelloni tubes ready done, and some basil, salt and pepper. Again, very straightforward. Should be lovely, fingers crossed. Let's wait and see. I haven't got a piping bag to do the cannelloni tubes in, so this could be a bit of hit and miss, but let's see how we get on. Let's get stuck in. Pan on, a little bit of olive oil in there. What we're going to do is sweat down some onion. And wait for that. Like I said, all Italian cooking, don't be in any rush. It's very quick anyway. So just give it the time it deserves. And remember, of course, it's a bit like wallpapering, isn't it? The better the preparation, the better the finish. And let's brown the meat off now. What I've done is taken the skins off the sausage and broken that down of the Italian style sausages. We're going to add a little black pepper, sprinkle of salt, some garlic and some oregano. And mix that in and let it all brown off. And let it cool down before we do the next stage. So what we're going to do now is get everything ready to go into these things. Don't know how this is going to go because, like I said, I don't have a piping bag. But neither did the Italian mamas of years ago. So I'm going to try a teaspoon first and see how we get on. But before that, let's start mixing a good chunk of parmesan in there. And then to make it all bind together, we'll add an egg. Another reason why you let the mixture cool down, of course, because you don't want the egg going all weird on you. stop banging the edge of the vessels. Okay, here comes the entertainment or the skill. So I've got my tomato sauce, just going to put a little bit in the pan to layer the bottom of the pan. And now, teaspoon in hand, let's see if we can feed that mixture in, because I'm sure Italian mums didn't have, like many mums wouldn't have had, the extravagance of a piping bag. Mind you, I'm sure the Italian mums will be a sight quicker than I am at doing it. Seems to be going okay. I think that's a winner. Teaspoon. Buy a piping bag if you want. Let's squeeze that one in there. Get in. See, being me, I would have bought a piping bag, but it didn't come quick enough, so full both ends, lie it into the tray. And on we go, many more of these, so we'll fast forward this bit for you and I'll see you when I've filled up the tray. See you in a minute. Meat and fillings in the tubes, see that? Wasn't that bad with a teaspoon. I'll let you know if you need to buy a piping bag if we do other stuff. But I'm going to do it, I have to say, because you get quite a lot of cannelloni. So I'm probably going to do crab and prawn or something in those, a seafood type variety with and try the bechamel sauce, but let's see how it goes. I'm going to coat the top now with our sauce. And what I'm going to do is cover it with tin foil, 20 minutes at 180. Then I'm going to take it off. I'm going to throw a load of this lovely cheese on the top. I'm going to put it back on the oven for another 10 minutes and then we should be ready to serve. We're just going to have it with a simple salad. So let's get it in the oven, see you in a minute. Melted, looks great. I'm going to put that aside. And we're just having it with a simple salad. The dressing in this case is 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and half a teaspoon of whole grain mustard. Give it a shake, lovely. Now let's see if I can get it out of the tray and figure out where the third one was. Oh my! Cannelloni with Italian style sausages. A little bit of salad on the side. Give it a try if you like it. Give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing because I do love doing easy dishes. This took a little bit of time in fairness, but still easy, isn't it? So subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. See you soon.